UMLA ke National People's Party rakam is sangma ubadeiru menteri badai khmi ketanat education jaga sarkar MDA 2 laong. Ba omdei banten rong jingket clear hak party namar ka jingbam la ban tek lakam ya ka jengyakan at snam hak jella Manipur. Kumban sukudau baka NPP ka don nyongot ki MLA hak jella Manipur mat ka kersan ya ka BJP ka balam khmat ya ka sarkar Manipur hak jengyalam UN Biren Singh kumu menteri rangba. Urakam isang maulaong baka day bandon ka jingkit clear ya baro tang da kaway ni art ligi party ban wanra ika syongsok syongskan haka jala Manipur ka bala mat ika jengakan at snam mental lalai benai haka bala lam shadow ka jingdo iki mensim brio ki babon.
No, this is something not about NPP or Congress or any party. It's I mean collective responsible has to be soldier by every individual. So this is something very, very unfortunate. The bonds of brotherhood has broken in the region. This is very unfortunate. We would appeal to our brother and sister of Manipur out there. So unless we think about our future, nothing gonna happen. So I think the peace is the need of the hour. So as a party, our party high command, they are taking up the matter with the central government and working out. We have sent our honorable minister to Manipur also. A lot of delegation. Our honorable MP, two MPs from the state, and MP from Manipur has also called upon the honorable Union Minister of Home. So we are, as a party, we are trying to bridge the gap. As a party, we are working on the forefront so that the peace be prevail at the earliest, and let the broken bonds be rebridged at the earliest. No, this is something like NPP or somebody can bring it out. No, out of nothing. This is something I think everybody, unless it works seriously, it's gonna happen. So I would. This is my prayer. Forget about NPP or others. Talk about all this. So forget about. So our prayer, let the peace comes to the Manipur at the earliest.